Welcome back to the another video. This is Tejal from Sanmo Software. In this video, we will look at expense request to expense creation workflow. So let's start with the flow. So first of all, you have to create expense request. Just click on purchase module and click on expense request submodule. Then go to the four dots, click on it and select add expense request. Just click on it. So first select date, which shows when the expense was or will be incurred. Then add employee name, select it, which identifies who is requesting the expense. Then enter the receipt number. If you have any receipt number, then just add it for the financial track. Then expense number, which is usually generated by system to uniquely identify the request. After creating the expense, it will be added automatically. Then add the third party code. Then you have to add supplier. Select the supplier. Representing the merchant from whom the service or item was purchased. That's why you have to select this. Then next is project. Select the project. So the system knows which project or task this cost should be allotted. Then next one is reimbursable, yes or no. Just select it as yes or no. So the most important field is the reimbursable. If you are selecting this as yes, it means that the employee will pay the amount personally and the company must repay to the employee. That's why you will select this yes button for reimbursable. If you select the no, then it means company will pay this expense directly. Okay, then next one is the margin. If there is any margin, then just add it. Enter the expense amount. I'm just adding 3000 over here. Select the currency. Exchange rate will be auto selected. Then select the payment mode. Then add approved by. Status is selected as pending. Then add the description briefly to explain what the expense is for. I have added office expense over there. Then just add extra details for notes or memo if any. And after filling all the details, just click on save only button. The data will be saved on the same page and tracking notes and audit log tab will be available over here. And in this side you can see email, document and print options for expense request. After clicking on save and close button, you can see your entry available on the index page. And if you have selected reimbursable as yes, then it will show you as yes. If no, then it is available as no. Okay, after that you can easily upload your receipt document by clicking on this number. Just click on this receipt number. The model will open to upload your receipt through this. After that, just click on actions. You can easily view, edit, delete, print, email, and create expense. You can perform this all actions using index of expense request. After creating this expense request, you have to create the expense against it. For that, you have to click on create expense action. Just click on it. Then you have to select the expense type. This is added through the master of expense types. Just select the expense type. If reimbursable is selected as yes in expense request, then it is auto selected in this model. Amount will be available. Just you have to click on submit button. And yeah, that's it. The expense request is approved and your expense will be created successfully. Just I will show you. Just click on this expense bills. Here we go. This is the expense entry which we have created from the expense request, and it is reimbursable. You can see it easily. You can quick search your data through these filters on expense bills and expense request also. You can quickly refresh by reimbursables, yes, no, or submitted by. This is how you can quick search using your filters. Also, you can perform multiple expenses through this action, create expense. You have to just select multiple checkbox and select create expense action to create multiple expense. And you can quickly export your expense request using this export to CSV, export to Excel, and export to PDF options. Also, you can print it using this print option. This is how you can add your expense request to expenses. If you have any queries to add this, then please connect us at contact us at sunmolesoftware.com. And that's the complete flow from the expense request to expense creation, including why each field is important and how reimbursable expense works. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the more helpful tutorials. Bye bye.